Good evening, everyone. This is Suresh Kumar from Zebu and Zebu School on morning market update. Morning, people expected the market to bounce back because there was no queue from the international market, and there was a news from the market that China has opened their economy and the activities again, and things are going to bring back to normal in China. So people expected the same thing to happen in India, and then COVID severity wouldn't be that much. So people expected the market to open a little higher than the what it has closed yesterday, and it didn't disappoint in that way. Market actually went up by about 100 odd points. Went up. It went as high as 18,143 against the closing somewhere close to 18,000. Then from then on, when people were expecting the uh, bounce back to sustain and be stationary or go up, market has fallen. It has fallen to low of 17,969 and trading somewhere around 19,000, 17,985. So why this has happened? One, it is even though there is a relief rally, but then the relief rally happened yesterday itself. Today it was a kind of continuation, but it couldn't sustain because profit booking has started at that level. Because particularly, as I said earlier, international markets didn't provide any clue because the market was closed yesterday due to this Christmas holiday. So if at all there is to be any trend that has to happen uh, over a period of time, then it has to be uh, taken cue from the international market. So that is the reason it is right now directionless. Profit booking has come in at the higher level, and the key support area of 18,000, which was the psychological barrier, was broken today. So market is unlikely to go up or go down big way because people are waiting for the Dow Jones and S&P to give them the clue and then Q rather. Based on that, people will be taking more positions in the subsequent days. All the sector, let's see how the sectoral indexes has fared. Sectoral indexes, Bank Nifty, it is down because it follows the Nifty, and Nifty IT is also down, but very marginally because right now the market is trading in the red, but not too red. So Nifty IT is down, but not big way, and then Nifty Pharma also is down, but not again the big way. Then, is there any, if at all, market has or any sector has had some kind of impact because of this morning market going up? It is the Nifty Realty. It is trading at about 0.86 percentage higher. Yesterday, the stellar performer was PSU Bank, Nifty PSU Bank, which was closed about 7.8 percentage higher. But today, it is almost at 0 percentage change. That is where it was yesterday. So it is still carrying the strength, even though the Nifty is mildly negative. Let's go see and other crude oil again is not moving much because the international market also there is not much movement there for the crude oil. People are waiting for the cue from the international market. Till such time, best people, markets will be trading water, but it will be stuck in a narrow range. And whatever correction, if there is to be any dip, it will be bought into. If it is going to be going up, it will be sold into. So we can expect the market to be listless for a while till such time as we get some cues from international market. Now, uh, about the COVID situation, India seems to be holding up quite well. It was government has made very clear that there is enough uh, vaccines available, enough medical facilities available. It's all stocked up. Medical facilities are all stocked up, and the oxygen cylinders are all stocked up. So, in the eventuality that there is going to be a severe outbreak, even then the government is prepared. And some state governments has announced masking mandates in kind of in public spaces, particularly during this New Year celebrations, particularly in Karnataka, and so many. I mean, we expect other states also to follow uh, in their footsteps and announce some kind of mask mandates. So those all these things and our own immunity, natural immunity that has happened in India because of all the second and third waves that has um, went all over India. So that being the case, we expect the severity to be a little less, at least the government expects the severity to be less on the news suggesting to be so. So that being the case, then we can expect some kind of bounce back in the coming days. So what is that you should do today? If you are a trader, then the market is expected to be range bound within the whatever ranges that is established. But then if you have to see here, this particular portion here, you see that the range was quite on the high side. I mean, the difference between the high and low were a couple of hundred points each day, couple of hundred points, so 200, 250 points each day, which is on the high side when compared to normal days. Today, since we said earlier, it is going to trade less, uh, we expect the market to trade within a range of about 200 points. So sell on the high, buy on the dips. That would be the thing. Use your appropriate strategy in terms of options trading if buying or selling this. Consult your financial advisor before taking any decisions. And as we said earlier, and always maintain that if you are a long-term investor, any time is a good time to invest. You can buy even now all the stocks you have kept in your watch list. You can keep buying it even now. If your horizon is about 10 years, then yes, anytime is a good time to buy as long as you're buying a good stocks and reasonably valued stocks. There are a lot of stocks that has corrected in 60, 70 percentage. You can consider buying this. And one more thing, there uh, you can also consider Nasdaq ETF funds, ETF fund because of big stocks like Meta, Google, Netflix, and so many other frontline stocks. Also has Apple has fallen from 40 to 70 percentage. So these stocks are available at a decent to its fair value. I mean, a decent level when compared to its fair value, and that would be reflected in the Nasdaq ETF. So you can consider after consulting with your financial advisor too whether to buy it or not. Then the super trend level, as we said, discussing yesterday, uh, the super trend level is broken and it is on the sell side right now till such time as it breaks again back. So it is still in the negative territory. So devise your trading strategies appropriately. This is going to be a range bound market. To sum it up, it is going to be a range bound market. It is going to be within 200 to 250 points. So there's going to be movement back and forth because there is actually no queue from international market till such time as international markets, I mean US markets opens in evening. Thank you. This is Suresh Kumar signing off for Zebu and the Zebu School. Have a nice day. Have a profitable trading day. Thank you.